Hello! In this lesson, we will teach you how to make a little dog. You just need to prepare a 260 long balloon. When inflating, the length of the balloon should be 45 centimeters. 45 centimeters. Next, we twist a long bubble. 1, 2, 3 times. The length of this bubble is 6 centimeters. Then, twist another 6 centimeters bubble. At this point, we need to use our eyes to check. Once you get here, press it a bit. Then twist it in. Make another 6 centimeters bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press here and twist. Adjust it. Make another 6 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, 1, 2, 3. Fold this one. Press the two together. Twist. These are its legs. Once done, there's still a little bit left. We twist a small bubble. It's about 3 to 4 centimeters. Once twisted, hold this hand. Press down, but don't block the air from going up. Just need to hold it tight. Don't let it expand. That's enough. So this hand will press hard and squeeze upwards. 1, 2, 3. Like this. There's still a little bit left. We just push it up a bit. Okay. Your little dog is complete.